Hello, my name is Jonathan Bing. This is my ENME 351 final project for Lab 9. For this project, I decided to make a sensor system that can detect exactly how many people have entered my house. I am the risk chair for my fraternity, and this is important as if there was ever a serious emergency, we would need to know exactly how many people are inside at a given time. So for my code, if I can get this thing to flip around. This is my processing code for this assignment. So I start by establishing all of traditional processing variables, my size of my window, and then I build my statistics background, which gives me all the data I need about how the sensor is picking up. This is what that looks like. It records total people and the color scale for my sensor right here. This is what my Arduino code looks like. From the top, we establish pin modes. There's a large set of variables that are just established as global variables. From there, I trigger my sensor. I have an algorithm that detects whether people are coming forward or backward, and I trigger the motor. So this is what my sensor looks like. This is the sensor right here. Trying not to get in front of it because it was currently on. And this is what it looks like when it's running. So here is my sensor in action. I currently have the threshold value set to 40 people. So once one more person walks past my sensor, the statistics will update along with the motor rotation. So here we go. As I simulate walking past the sensor, we can see the motor start to spin. And once the completion of the rotation is complete, the statistics screen will update as well. So we'll see that right about now. There we go. Now it is important to remember we still want to keep track of everybody that is in the party at a given time, even if the color scale is red. To simulate that, I'm going to stick my hand in front of the sensor and you will see as it will still keep track of the total people. Now, since my threshold value is 40 and if people wanted to leave the party, I can simply change a binary input on my breadboard to a negative terminal, which will indicate people leaving a party. So until the party sensor detects that there's less than 40 people in the party, the simulator will not turn around. So to do that, I'll wave my hand in front. So we're at 40 people. It is still red because the party is at capacity. Now, if I were to walk around and walk in front of the sensor, we're gonna see it's gonna rotate around back to green. This happens because we are now under the threshold value and people are allowed to enter once again without a risk of having too many people at the party at one time. So this is my final project. Thank you very much and enjoy.